657 Racing Slambox. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so first things first, I wanted to show everyone what comes in the kit. First of all, we got airline. Make sure you check your car. I've seen some, actually I've heard some have the 6mm airline. My car has 4mm, so just make sure you order the right one. We get 4 T-fittings. These connect to your factory airlines, and then this one goes out to the slam box. And then we have wire harness. This just goes straight to the battery, and this connects right there. And then we got the RF switch, or RF remote, sorry. A is a single press, and it will hold the valves open until you press the B button, and then it will close the valves, so you don't have to worry about holding the button. And then also this comes with that feature, so you can hold the button and then drop to your selected height or whatever. Say you don't want to go all the way out. But yeah, B will just be a momentary switch, hold, and then let go, and it will close the valves. And then obviously the slam box. So it has, yeah, like I said, a nice connector on there. Fittings. It weighs about 1.5 pounds, and it is about almost 4 inches by 5. So yeah, let's go ahead, head over to the car, and we'll get it installed. Okay, so first thing you guys are going to want to do is cut your factory airlines, and that is these 4 hoses right here, or lines right here: red, green, black, and blue. Let's come over here. I already cut mine. Make sure to get these as flush as possible, that way you have any leaks. Then you want to grab your T-fittings and just slide them on there. Make sure they're in all the way. And then go ahead and connect the other side. Cool. So now you got those all connected. Keep in mind when you cut these, the car is going to air out. So make sure you don't have anything under it, otherwise it's gonna hit it. And then I went ahead and cut the airline that comes with the kit down to about 12 inches each one. Looks something like this. And then I went ahead and got some double-sided tape that I'm going to throw onto here. And then, oh, the wiring harness. That just simply goes right straight to the battery, so you can just pick this up. And then negative and positive over here. So it connects. Okay, so once you have everything, all the airlines cut, harness installed, you can go ahead and connect it. Oops. Only goes one way, and then twists on and locks in, so it's not going anywhere. I had already put the double-sided tape on the back. I'm kind of just gonna place it. You can either go like right up here, depending on. Obviously, I have more wire length, but I'm just gonna put it right here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and connect my lines. Make sure there's no kinks in these either. Alright, and just remove this back side and stick it on right there. Perfect. And then you can go ahead and grab your switch test it out and make sure that it is functioning correctly. So once you have your switch, or sorry, your little receiver in your hand or your remote, you're just gonna wanna, and make sure you hear that click. And those are the valves opening and letting the air out of the system. And that's it for the install. I would definitely double check, make sure the car airs up correctly, and then also check for leaks. All you have to do is get some, just get some Windex or some soap and water. Just spray it into these connections right here and make sure that none of them are leaking. You do have to make sure that these are cut pretty flush. Yeah, just make sure they're as flush as you can get them, and you shouldn't have any problems. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the install. And I guess I'll go ahead and start the car up, and we will see and make sure that it raises up properly. Alright, so first thing you want to do is start the car and make sure it airs back up. Obviously mine started, but I had tire change mode on, so as soon as you flip this back off, it's gonna raise back up. So you should hear the compressor kick on, and it should start instantly raising it up. It does take a little while. I've seen it take it from like a minute and a half to 2 minutes. Nah, probably not 2 minutes, probably like a minute and a half at the most. Yeah. Just let it do its thing, make sure it airs up properly at your ride height. You should be golden. On your dash you will see the ride is too low or something like that pop up, the little warning sign. As soon as it airs back up, it'll go right away, so you won't have any codes or anything like that. That's about it for the install. Always open it up, double check, make sure you don't hear any leaks. Oops. There you go. Yeah. But yeah, so I'm gonna go to another location. I'm gonna show you guys the difference between OBDELEVEN, venting the air through that, versus what the Slambox does. So stick around, I'll show you guys, and also give you some updates on the website and stuff like that. Cool, see you there. Okay, so this is fully slammed on OBDELEVEN. So this is just using OBDELEVEN. I wanted to see if there was actually a difference between just using this or actually versus the Slambox. I've heard people saying that there's like a little bit of air left over in the system still, causing it not to vent out for some reason or whatever. So I just wanted to see, I wanted to measure and actually see if there was actually a difference in it at all. So let's get the tape measure. So we got the tape measure, and we're sitting right about there. Cool. That's for the rear. For the front, sitting right about the same. So let's go ahead and see if it drops any more. I don't think it will. It doesn't look like it looks pretty. Oh yeah, look, it did. Look at that. So about a quarter of an inch lower. I assume the same thing for the front. Not so much for the front, more so for the rear. Yeah, the front looks relatively the same, but the rear definitely went a lot lower than just using OBDELEVEN. Dang, that looks good. But okay, yeah. Let me know what you guys think. What you guys think of the box. Whether you guys want to see any different changes, or I mean, there's not much else I can do. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. The website will be up very soon. It's just going to be 657racing.com. It's literally going to be the only product on there. I'm thinking about maybe doing some t-shirts or sweaters or some merch stuff, stickers, what have you. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.